So, welcome back, folks. This is Shardul Gavande from Ace Knowledge, and as we have completed with the first part of passing JSON using JSON array, okay. So now we'll see how to fetch the data using async task. Okay. So now just let's create an async task. Here it is not. I think return statement. We are yet to complete with this, but just go step by step. Let's first create now async task. We'll fetch the data using async task. So public class async task, we'll say async extends async task, will give parameters as string comma string, as we want all our data in string format. Okay, so here we go. So here again a red line appears over here, which says that we need to implement some methods. So let's right click and generate and override some methods which we want pre-execute, post-execute, and do in background. Okay, and we'll create OK. So here we are ready with our methods, and now we will fetch data using async task. So before that, we need to create an array list of our videos. So we will create array list, give the name as video, and give name as video list semicolon. Okay, so now in the on pre-execute, okay, we have to code it. We'll set our progress as loading. Progress is equal to new progress dialog, into bracket we'll give our class name as playlist dot this for this particular activity. Then okay, so here it is giving some error as progress. So let's fix this error. What it says, create a local. Okay, we need to declare or create a variable. So let's create it over here as private progress dialog, will say as progress. Okay, so is it gone? Yeah, the error is gone. Fine. So creation of a variable was not there. So progress again equal to not equal to, actually we'll set now I have to set the message. So we'll set a message as say loading data. Okay, 1 2 3, and now we have to show that progress. So we'll say as progress dot show. Okay, so we have set the message, loading message on pre-execute, and now in the do in background we have to get the data. So we have as with the traditional method, the try and catch block. Okay, in catch we have exception e into bracket. Will for the time being will not write anything. Let's go. So now we have to get the data from this particular JSON passing. Okay, we have to tell the server that if your string is Android, then fetch this particular URL. If it is Xamarin, then fetch this particular URL. Okay, so we need a variable, right, to tell. We will have obviously if conditions over here. If your string is Android, then Android URL. If it is Xamarin, then it will get the playlist of Xamarin with Xamarin URL. So obviously we need to declare a string variable over here. So let's declare a string abc and keep it as null as of now, and we'll use that particular string over here. So if we'll say abc, if abc dot equals, if it equals with Android, so it will check if it equals with this particular string which is Android. So, and open curly braces, then it will say video list, which is nothing but our list, this list of video, equal to, it will ask it to pass. Okay, so it will say as video list is equal to passing JSON, okay, which we have created over here as passing JSON, okay, video array list passing JSON. So it will come over here if this particular condition satisfies. Come over here and call this passing JSON, and this passing JSON, is it right? Yeah, it is right. Okay, passing JSON over here, and it will say passer video. Okay, here again we have this JSON object. We have given it as passer video name, which will call get JSON from YouTube method, which is nothing but this method. Okay, so automatically this URL goes over here, and it has been called over here. It will say passer video dot Android for Android. Okay, now we have else if, as we have two more conditions. So else if, so we'll say abc dot equals, if it is Xamarin, then we will say as video list dot passing JSON video list equal to passing JSON, and into bracket passer video dot Xamarin. So this is how we can call our URL over here in background and process it. Okay, so we can keep on adding else if for as much playlist it is there on our YouTube channel. And finally you can say as else if nothing is there, then you can simply show or raise a toast message. Okay, so let's raise a toast dot make text get application context, comma, we'll say as not found, comma, and toast dot length long, we'll say complete it over here, and outside bracket we'll have dot show. Okay, so this is how with if else condition we can pass our particular URL. And finally in the catch we'll return, we'll not return, we'll say as finish. Okay, we'll say finish, call the finish method. Okay, so now we come to post execute. We need to show something in post execute, right? So this is for the post execute we need a video adapter. Okay, we need to create a class video adapter, and then we need to bind the video adapter to this playlist view, so that our data is been displayed in list view and it has been played. Okay, so that we will see in next video. So that's it from this video. Stay tuned. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe.